This is my unboxing of the mince meter. Sorry, meat mincer. Okay, this I just got it. I bought it on eBay for $70. This is a commercial grade. It doesn't have anything on top of the box to describe about its specifications. So I may want to show you what exactly is inside. So here it is. Take it out. Sorry for the bad camera angle. I don't have anyone here and I have to get a stand. But this is how the seal is. I just cut it open on top the seal. So this one is what you have inside, like foam, and then what you have is like 2 or 3 attachments. This one is to be attached to the main part. I think it's like this is to, I think it is something. It goes inside and then meat will come out. I have to see how it works. This is some stainless steel part. It is a plastic one, as you see. This is how it looks. And then I hope my voice is clear. This is what it is. It's like you can compare with my hand size. And then what you have here, this is like a little tray. It's not metal. It looks metal, but it's a plastic coated with a metal finish. This is not stainless steel or anything. Maybe it is, but it's so light and like it's like aluminum or some plastic or something. It's very lightweight. It's like a meat holding tray. You see it, how it is. This is how it is. This is a meat holding tray. What I got in the package. And this is something like a plastic thing to push the meat inside. See, this is the size. It's total plastic. It's plastic. And here is the main unit. It is the main unit, and then you open it. It's not that heavy. Maybe like I pull out the, you see, outside the paper or whatever. It does not really. This knob looks solid, but it's also lightweight. Brand says Winholder. You see the brand name? It's a Winholder. Other than that, I don't see any specifications. This handle is like a steel finish, chrome finish, but I don't know. This is how the US adapter, the plug for use it in the United States. And there is like a ventilation fans or something built inside here. And this is the base where this attachment goes. I think this is how it goes. I don't know. I have to figure it out. Maybe this is how it goes. I have to fix it. I will go through the instructions and then I'll see. There are blades inside, right? There is one blade inside. It's like a square shaped. So this is where the attachment goes. This glass, you have some cleaning pushing button. I don't know what it is, but it looks chrome finish, but it's not all stainless steel. It all looks like plasticky, very lightweight. Even the base is not solid. The model says, you can see it, MGH 120, and it's a maximum locked motor, approximately wattage 1200 watts. They advertised as 1600 or 2200. These are dubious, but it's okay. Rated current 1.96 amperes, voltage 100 to 120 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. That's what it says, right? You can see. So in all, I expected it to be more heavier and industrial grade, but I would have got something similar for $45 on eBay or $44, but this one I spent like $69 thinking that it's a heavy duty, but I don't know, I paid $69 for this. But it's something I have to see how it works. And they said they have some attached blades. Okay, this is the base foam thing, whatever it is. And then you have the blades. They put a bundle of blades, interchangeables. The thickness of the blade is good. You see this? This is a round one. You can put it at the other. Only 3 of them. They're small holes, and this is like whatever, like 2 or 3 mm. This is 1 or 2 mm here, or 3 to 5 maybe. It's like a big size chunks. You can cut them. And there is some item here. I don't know what it is, but I hope you're hearing my voice clearly, because I put on the chair my phone to record, but I'm talking at a distance. Hopefully it is clear. And this is the one. Some other knob thing, I have to figure it out what exactly it is. You have an instruction manual here. Meat grinder instruction manual. Please read thoroughly for important safety. Save these instructions. I have to see how to fix all these things, like they have a booklet. Attention to attach, how to attach these parts, and you have different arrangement control elements. They say arrangement control elements. So they have a detailed pictures how to use this and all. Electrical connection switches, and this is it. This is the box, and these are the things what it all came up. But it looks like not a great product, but it's okay for a small house, I know, but I expected the build quality to be more better. I mean, sturdy. It's very light. It's lightweight. And then these are the things I'm putting back because I'm going to use them. Right? And this is another one. I would have gotten it for less, but you see, on eBay is a trustable place. I've been shopping on eBay for the past 20 years, but there are some little glitches, but I totally trust eBay compared to, I'm sorry, I'm not marketing for eBay or anything. Nobody pays me for this, but I'm just showing you what I got. So if you ordered like a meat mincer, this is what you are going to get. All right, these are the 2 things covers. I'm sorry, this one, and this is the outer box. As I said, this is how it looks. This is how I'm going to take it out. It's a brand new machine. I'm going to try, and if everything is okay, I'm going to upload some videos about its performance, maybe after 3 months, how it works, if it gives any electrical problems. Even if it is going to give some problems, I am not going to return this, because you don't expect too much, in this world. Sometimes you're lucky you get a good product. Sometimes this is what it is. Thank you very much for watching my video, and hopefully I'm going to upload some cooking videos too. I have plenty of free time in hand to do some funny stuff, and keep watching my channel. I'm going to regularly update with my Indian American cookings and Caribbean cookings and some basic stuff which will be interesting, so Thank you very much again. Have a nice day. Bye.